the president of Russia confirmed that Cardano will be launched in Russia at this date. What's the truth behind this? Keep watching until the end to learn more about it. It is known that since bringing cryptocurrency regulations into force, Russia has always treated various cryptocurrencies badly. Russian authorities, however, are making an exception for one cryptocurrency. And despite the pressure of the Federal Securities Service, the head of the Bank of Russia, Elvira Nabiullina, pledged to ban cryptocurrency in Russia via Bloomberg, which cited two reliable sources. Despite the FSB's claim, they claim that the Russian government wants to ban cryptocurrencies entirely, and this is in order to thwart undesirable organizations and media that are registered as foreign agents from making donations to Russian causes. Nevertheless, the FSB is also not opposed to allowing the exchange of Cardano for rubles. Moreover, it was reported by Bloomberg that Russians are thought to own $92 billion in cryptocurrency assets. Further, the agency notes that the quantity of crypto assets owned by residents of the Russian Federation is insignificant compared with the amount of financing provided by the opposition and the media. Then, in early January, it was revealed that the Bank of Russia began to examine the operations of Russian banks relating to crypto exchanges. In addition, the central bank sent requests to banks asking them to collaborate with crypto exchanges in connection with payments between citizens at the end of last year. Additionally, the chairman of the Russian Investigation Committee, Alexander Bastrikin, recently called on the government to implement a system that would require cryptocurrency users to be identified. Moreover, he also noted that it remains unknown what the status of online platforms is that enable anonymous cryptocurrency transactions. Furthermore, Reuters reported in December 2021 that the Bank of Russia intends to prohibit cryptocurrency investments inside the country. Also, crypto transactions are growing rapidly, according to the regulator, which poses a risk to financial stability. Then Elvira Nabiullina, at a later time, the head of the Russian Central Bank, said that the regulator opposes cryptocurrency transactions using Russian financial infrastructure. Additionally, the premier of Pavia's non-interchangeable token project, aimed at earning money on the Cardano blockchain, will take place months after the sixth largest blockchain by market capitalization introduced smart contracts. Moreover, Pavia states in their press release that it is Cardano's first metaverse, a virtual world that can replicate real-life actions and forms through the use of artificial intelligence. Just for some trivia, did you know that the Cardano network is named after Gerolamo Cardano, an Italian mathematician, and that the Pavia Metaverse project derives its name from the mathematician's birthplace, Pavia in northern Italy? Additionally, according to the Metaverse project, the company has a total of 100,000 NFT plots of land, of which 60% of it has already been sold. Moreover, Pavia says 29,000 plots of land have been sold during the first stage of virtual land sales, and 31,000 plots have been sold during the second stage. And in the Pavia ecosystem, more than 8,300 virtual landowners have taken advantage of the virtual land sale that took place between October and November 2021. Additionally, Pavia reports that the owners of the NFT lands received their Pavia tokens because when the December 2021 blockchain snapshot occurred, it was used as a landing pad. Despite regulatory uncertainty, purchasers from the United States and the United Kingdom were prohibited from taking part in land sales, according to Pavia. Further, it is estimated that the final sale of land will occur in the first quarter of 2022, according to the Metaverse project. Moreover, the price of the Pavia land plot is 750 Cardano, which is approximately $1.1, and the price on the Cardano NFT or CNFT market can be as high as 850,000 Cardano, about $1 million. During the past few hours, Bitcoin's 2.9% jump has opened up regaining opportunities for altcoins. However, it must close above its 4-hour 20 SMA before it will be considered strong. Meanwhile, Tezos and Filecoin have defended their critical support and have seen a modest improvement. At the same time, Cardano's CMF dropped below zero. Despite turning around at $1.1, Cardano retreated from the resistance of $1.50. While altcoin experienced a return on investment of 5.24%, it has collapsed from $1.50 of resistance. Cardano token, which fell to sixth place among cryptocurrencies in market capitalization over the past 7 days, has gained almost 12.6% and was trading $1.17 on the second week of February. During this period, the price went below the Bollinger Bands because it lost more than 12% of its value. Having continued to decrease the gap between bands, alt could have been in a low volatility phase. Moreover, while Ethereum is constantly in the news cycle regarding its upcoming 2.0 update, similar smart contract-powered platforms are slowly building up their reputations. Among them is Cardano, which is peer-reviewed, a proof-of-stake blockchain network for decentralized apps and decentralized finance. And the developers who create decentralized applications on the Cardano platform will need support from Layer 2 solutions to scale, maintain security, and motivate their communities. As a result, the ADA Lend blockchain is leading the charge to entice users away from Ethereum and onto Cardano. With ADA Lend, Cardano makes it possible for decentralized finance apps to benefit from a Layer 2 lending system similar to what Ethereum provides. Further, ADA Lend is a lending pool solution, and each pool will have its cryptocurrency. With this feature, users can deposit assets to the pool in exchange for interest, reducing the number of idle assets in the Cardano ecosystem. It then supports borrowers or users who deposit another asset as collateral and borrow the cryptocurrency. And taking into account what they have put up as collateral, as well as what they have already borrowed, the total amount of borrowed assets is determined. Moreover, the user can borrow money for as long as they want, with partial or full payments accepted whenever they want. Borrowing positions, however, can disappear if the price changes dramatically. Then, when the collateral value drops below a predetermined threshold, liquidation will occur. To keep values as accurate as possible, all price information is pulled through oracles, which are connected to specific price providers. Currently, ADA Lend differs from a vision. Investors such as Moonwell Ventures, JP Max, and even the IOHK Foundation have backed the project, believing it will be at the forefront of a new wave of flexible financial markets based on Cardano. Interestingly, the ADA Lend seed round sold out within an hour of its launch. And part of the reason for its popularity is ADA Lend's user-driven nature. Further, user-driven decentralized autonomous organizations make up the governance framework, which introduces upgrades and additions through proposals. And the proposals are then discussed and voted on by users, and the majority vote results in their inclusion into the network. By securing user control and providing fair interest rates, the ADA Lend team hopes to attract Cardano enthusiasts. With the proceeds of its venture funding round, ADA Lend has expanded its team to further develop its product. During the next 12 months, the company will add features and lay the groundwork for new DeFi products. It will also continue to seek new partnerships to provide its users with an ever-expanding list of features. In the meantime, Cardano was trading within striking distance of its 3-week high on the third week of January, which led some investors to anticipate a trend reversal. And the bullish momentum is primarily caused by anticipation of SundaeSwap, which is a decentralized exchange. In addition, the rise in ADA price came a day after SundaeSwap announced its opening of a fully functional beta decentralized exchange, or DEX. Nevertheless, the upside movement also came as part of a wider rebound trend in which ADA increased by almost 50% in just 7 days. In the beginning, ADA followed the crypto market's reversal, but later accelerated its price gains independently of the crypto market's reversal following the SundaeSwap DEX launch on January 20th. Therefore, ADA emerged as one of the top 10 cryptocurrency performers after 24-hour adjustments. Meanwhile, the SundaeSwap trend is bullish for ADA stock, but what's behind it? Announcing the launch of SundaeSwap's DEX included evidence of increased demand for ADA tokens in the future, which is typically an indication of a bullish outlook for investors. In addition to introducing the Sundae token, the DEX platform also discussed 3 ways of distributing this token among users: an initial stake offering round, yield farming, and direct exchange-based conversion. During the ISO round of the Sundae token sale, SundaeSwap explained it would distribute 5% of the total supply through 5 epochs. Moreover, user ADA tokens are delegated into a stake pool during each epoch, which represents a 5-day reward cycle. If you want to make sure you qualify for all 5 ISO reward rounds, you must make sure you have ADA staked with eligible SPOs before 2145 UTC on January 25th. DEX's announcement said, adding, "Your reward will be calculated based on the snapshot taken at that time, and at the same time at each subsequent epoch boundary." In the meantime, Cardano's team and community believe that it will soon be launched in Russia, despite the lack of official confirmation. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.